Assalamualaikum students. This is your computer teacher Iftikhar Ahmed, grade 5. The topic name is cyber crime. So dear student, the question is, what is cyber crime? Here the word cyber crime, they mean when you are using the internet and any type of one of the crime has been done from anyone is called cyber crime. In a cyber crime, what people do, how do they hack other computers, we will learn in this video. So dear students, you have been requested to focus in these all the points. We will talk one by one. So dear students, cybercrime, as I told you, it's a crime which is done on the internet. So firstly, we need to know what is a network. Here the word network, that means internally connected wires to the world. So as we enter through the internet, we are connected to the computers, all the type of the computers like the cell phones, tablets, laptop, etc. In the network, we use the websites, personal computers, other computers, etc. So cybercrime can also be done from the network. How? Simply, if someone enters in a website and he tries to corrupt the website, hack the website, or steal any information of that website, is also called a cybercrime. Hacking, that means entering without information. For example, anyone who enters in your cell phone or a computer without your information is called hacking. And in a hacking, what people do, they steal the data. A data can be of anything. A data can be the images, a data can be the videos, a data can be of the audios, or a data can be of anything. So someone enters in your PC without your information is called hacking. Hacking is also one of the cyber crime. Software piracy. In a software piracy, what exactly people do? Firstly, the question is, what is the software piracy or a software piracy? Who makes the software? Who develops the software? The software is being developed by the software developers. When they develop any software, their wish is to sell the software, or they want to become the popular through that software that people make. So in a software piracy, what people do, the other people, the one who makes the software, the one who develops the software, the other people try to crack the code, its activation. Because when the software is being developed from someone, he tries to sell. To crack the software, the people disable the activation of that software is also called the software piracy. Later on, the credit card fraud. Credit card. Dear students, you might be known of the word ATM, that means auto teller machine. We use the ATMs. So whenever the ATM is connected to the internet or a network, as I told you, the network, that means the internet, whenever you enter your ATM code, PIN code, etc., that is hackable. That means the people who tries to hack the ATM is also called one of the cyber crime, where all the information of the ATM will be stolen. When the information of an ATM has been stolen, that means a credit card can be hacked. So all the money will also be stolen. Phishing. Here the word phishing, that means harassing. What exactly happened in a phishing? The people try to send the email, the text messages, all the messages in the IRC chats, in the messengers, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. They try to harass. Harass, that means to say something, his personal thing, and ask him to do something or that thing. That is called the phishing. This is also one of the cyber crime. So it is called the phishing. A phishing is also done in mailing. If someone sends you a mail where he asks you to send the money, etc., this is called the phishing. So, because the mails are not recognizable, the mails cannot be caged, so that is why the people try to harass other people through this method, is also called cyber crime. Computer virus. What is a computer virus? A computer virus is simple a thing which can destroy, which can malfunction your computer. The people also tries to make the computer virus to corrupt the data of any personal computer or a website. This is called the computer virus. The computer virus is also called the cyber crime. So nowadays what people are doing, they are trying their best to hack the PC, but the cyber crime is taking a good place in this world. So there are a lot of the fields who are trying to stop the cyber crime. So anyone who is using the cell phone or a tablet or a laptop or such thing which connects this network is not finally hiddenable. The person who uses the internet, if he thinks that he is hidden, he is not hidden, because whenever your device such like tablet or cell phone is connected to the internet, all the personal information of that device is given to the particular place. For example, when we are going to open the YouTube, that means the owner of the YouTube are very well known which device is connected to their network or to their website. So any website, either it is a simple application of a WhatsApp or a Facebook, the website, etc. Whenever whoever connects from any device, the owner of their website are very well known of the device that is connected to their web. So it is very hard to hack anyone's personal information, because we already know the Facebook, there are around 8.5 billion people who are using or who are living in this world. Out 8.5 billion people, around 5 billion people are using the Facebook. So the owner of the Facebook, they are very aware about their product, the Facebook. So they try their best to stop the cyber crime for their website attacks, etc. So dear students, if you have any question related to this topic, you can ask in this video through the comments, and kindly like the video, subscribe this channel. If you have any question, I'll try to make another video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.